Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Today, our recipe is Goodday Biscuits. Goodday Biscuits, if children hear this name, they'll ask you to go to the store and buy them. But instead of buying, you can make this simply, healthily, and tastily at home. So let's get started. This is the end of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.